Well, right here at the fishing spot, I thought I'd take you out on a ride on the hire bike there, or the courtesy bike even. There is a little bit of news about my own bike. I spoke to the bike insurance company yesterday, or the people that took my bike away to look at it for a repair and assessment, and unfortunately it's really saddening and gutting. They've actually written my bike off, which means that it's scrap. So yes, I will get paid quite a few £1,000s for mine, but I don't really want the money. I wanted my bike back. So yeah, really annoying, but what can I do? You know, it's out of my hands really. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the ride along with me anyway to the fishing spot. This is the secret spot that I've been to in the last couple of videos on the River Carey, but this time I'm not being stupid. I've actually stopped at the garden centre and bought some worms. However, for a little pot of worms it was £5, which is what, like $7.50 or something. But let me just show you quickly. I'm also going to do a video in a minute actually fishing this spot. Just want to show you from actually up on the actual road here. In the videos you've seen me here, right down there on that bit, fishing this spot. Oh, and it actually looks like since I was here a few days ago, trees come down across the river. Oh shit, I might actually have to fish on the other side then, or maybe I'll be right down there again. Let me just show you quickly. See what I mean by being in the absolute middle of nowhere. There's absolutely nothing around at all. Let's have a look. I'll show you the other side quickly. It's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. Well, I'm going to get on a minute and unpack the rod off the bike and get fishing, and the fishing video will be the next video to be uploaded later on. Thank you so much as always for watching my videos and for liking and subscribing and everything else, and your nice comments as well and support at the minute, 'cause it's been a hard time, as you know, the last 2.5 weeks for me. I'm going to move out the way before I get run over. Please remember obviously to like, subscribe, and please hit the notification bell, guys. Thank you so much. Love you all.